The silent epidemic understanding the unseen enemy, diabetes. It's a word we hear often, a diagnosis that affects millions. But behind the statistics lies a complex and relentless disease that continues to baffle scientists and devastate lives. Diabetes is often called a silent epidemic, an unseen enemy that silently wreaks havoc within the body. It affects how our bodies use sugar, a vital source of energy. For those living with diabetes, it's a daily struggle, a constant companion that demands attention and careful management. But why, in this age of medical marvels, haven't we found a cure? Why does this disease continue to cast a long shadow over our lives? The answer, as we'll uncover, lies in the intricate nature of diabetes itself. It's not a single disease, but rather a group of metabolic disorders, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. Understanding the complexities of diabetes is the first step toward unraveling the mystery of its persistence and ultimately finding a cure. Two sides of the same coin, type 1 versus type 2 diabetes. Diabetes primarily manifests in two forms, type 1 and type 2. While they share a common thread, the disruption of blood sugar regulation, their underlying mechanisms and risk factors differ significantly. Imagine a coin, with each side representing a distinct face of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, often diagnosed in childhood or adolescence, is an autoimmune disorder. In this scenario, the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. Insulin acts as a key, unlocking the doors of our cells to allow glucose from the bloodstream to enter and provide energy. Without insulin, glucose builds up in the blood, leading to various health complications. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, typically develops in adulthood and is linked to lifestyle factors such as diet and physical activity. In this case, the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects, or the pancreas gradually loses its ability to produce enough insulin. This resistance or deficiency disrupts the delicate balance of blood sugar control, paving the way for the development of diabetes. A tangled web. Unraveling the causes of diabetes. Understanding why diabetes remains uncured requires delving into its intricate web of causes. Both genetic predisposition and environmental factors play significant roles in the development of this complex disease. Think of it as a puzzle, where multiple pieces must fit together for diabetes to manifest. Genetics, our inherited blueprint, can increase susceptibility to diabetes. Specific genes have been identified that influence insulin production, insulin sensitivity, and the body's overall ability to regulate blood sugar levels. However, having these genes doesn't guarantee diabetes, it merely increases the risk. Environmental factors, including our diet, physical activity levels, and exposure to certain viruses, also contribute significantly to the development of diabetes, particularly type 2. A diet high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated fats, coupled with a sedentary lifestyle, can lead to insulin resistance and weight gain, increasing the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. When your body turns against you. The autoimmune attack of type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes presents a particularly challenging puzzle to solve. Its root cause lies in autoimmunity, a phenomenon where the body's own defense system mistakenly attacks healthy cells and tissues. In this case, the immune system targets the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas, leading to their destruction. The exact trigger for this autoimmune response remains elusive, but researchers believe a combination of genetic predisposition and environmental factors, such as viral infections, may play a role. This autoimmune attack is a relentless process, gradually destroying the beta cells over time. As the number of beta cells dwindles, insulin production decreases, eventually leading to the onset of type 1 diabetes. The challenge in curing type 1 diabetes lies in halting and reversing this autoimmune process. Researchers are actively investigating ways to suppress the immune system's attack on beta cells, induce immune tolerance to these cells, and even regenerate lost beta cells. However, a definitive cure remains elusive, as the intricate mechanisms of the immune system and the factors triggering this autoimmune response are still not fully understood. So let's talk about insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. You see, insulin is a hormone that helps our cells take in glucose from the blood, but when our cells become resistant to insulin, they don't respond as well. This means glucose stays in the bloodstream, leading to higher blood sugar levels. Over time, this can develop into type 2 diabetes, a condition where the body can't regulate blood sugar properly. It's a serious health issue, but with the right lifestyle changes and medical care, it can be managed effectively. Regeneration, the body's ability to repair and renew itself, is a fascinating and crucial area of study. Imagine if we could harness this power to heal damaged tissues, organs, or even nerves. This potential could revolutionize medicine, offering hope for countless individuals suffering from chronic conditions or injuries. The key lies in understanding and manipulating the mechanisms behind cellular regeneration. In recent years, research into regeneration has made significant strides. Scientists are exploring various approaches, from stem cell therapy to gene editing, aiming to unlock the full potential of our body's natural healing processes. Early results are promising, with some breakthroughs already showing remarkable success in laboratory settings. While there is still much work to be done, these advancements offer a glimmer of hope for a future where regenerative medicine could become a reality. While we await these groundbreaking treatments, there are existing therapies and lifestyle changes that can help manage and alleviate symptoms. Physical therapy, medication, and surgical options are available depending on the condition. Additionally, adopting a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management, can play a significant role in improving overall well-being. These measures, though not curative, can enhance quality of life and provide relief. To truly realize the potential of regenerative medicine, we need continued research, increased awareness, and robust support. This is a call to action for scientists, healthcare professionals, policymakers, and the public. By working together, we can accelerate the pace of discovery and bring these life-changing treatments to those in need. Let's advocate for more funding, promote education, and support organizations dedicated to this vital field. The future of medicine depends on our collective efforts.